Hey guys, so in this tutorial I want to discuss about ternary operator. So let's get started. So I have, let's say, a variable, I want to say 19, and then I want to see, I want to have an if and else statement sort of define something depending on this variable. So I could say if my var is greater than or equal to 19, I would say actually instead of my var, let's say this is my age, and then this is say 18. So I'm gonna say if it's greater than or equal to 18, or let's say 21, I would say console.log I am adult, else I would say the console would print I am not an adult, right? So this is just an if statement that we are gonna run, and then depending on how the variable is, how the value of this variable is, it's gonna, the if statement is gonna print out different outputs. So if I run this, right, so I'm getting an error here. It's saying my, oh, of course, yeah, I have to make it right. So here it's saying I'm not an adult because the age is not greater than or equal to 21. But if I were to do here, like let's say 17 or 18, it should, print out different output. So the ask or the topic of this discussion is how do we write that in ternary operator. Check this out. So this is super cool, and so I'm just gonna comment it. And ternary operator is something that you could do all these in one line. So first we have our condition, and then we have this question mark, and then we have the true logic, true output. So then we have the output if it's true. So I'm just gonna say true output, and then you have this colon here, and then we have false output. So what this is saying is that we would have this, the ternary operator would be would follow this syntax. First we would have this condition, and if the condition is true, it's gonna print whatever we have after this question mark. If the condition is false, it's gonna print out whatever we have after this colon mark. So let's write out this one. So I'm gonna say my age is greater than or equal to 21, question mark. Actually, I could just do here I am adult, and then then I would put a colon mark, and then after the colon mark I would do I am not an adult, right? So I'm gonna get rid of this if statement here because we have gone through this. So now I'm just gonna, and I'm gonna make this like in a variable. So I'm gonna have it in a variable. So what this is gonna do is that whatever the output of this part is gonna get assigned to this variable, and then we want to print out this print out the value of this output, right? So if I run this now, it's gonna say I'm not an adult, right? So that's pretty much what you need to do about ternary operator. And this can be even better. Let's say I mean, I would post another tutorial based on how we can have this ternary operator work on a list or on our dictionaries, but for now this is literally the case. So it's this whole thing. You have a condition, and then if the condition is true, if the condition returns true, you have the output right after the question mark, and then if the condition returns false, this output after the colon mark would be printed. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you in a different tutorial. Thanks. Bye.